However, this is the time to present remedial model English questions or model English examination. Family Elect with Mr. Kabada. Good morning, good evening. How are things? How are you doing? So, this is the second part of remedial model English examination. The questions are completely different from the first two remedial questions that I have published and which are on air actually. So let me start the first question. The first question is about grammar and usage. Grammar and usage, please. I'm trying to give clarification, explanation, descriptive characteristics of every question. I hope you'll get some pointers and you will make ready to take the remedial examination. Great. Let me take the first question here. Yeah, let's go out. Blank question. Will we, shall we, do we, and are we? This is called the tag question here. Tag questions. Tag question ላይ ስትመጡ ሁለት ህጎች አሉ። አረፍተ ነገሩ ፖዚቲቭ ከሆነ ታግ ኩዌስችናችሁ ኔጌቲቭ ነው። አረፍተ ነገሩ ኔጌቲቭ ከሆነ ታግ ኩዌስችናችሁ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ፖዚቲቭ ነው የሚሆነው። ለምሳሌ I'm a teacher though, aren't I? And they do their assignment, don't they? They don't do their assignment, do they? That's a kind of tag question. It's clear, please. But this question is completely different from the question that I'm raising now here. This is let us, an exceptional here. When you say let us, the question includes the speaker, I myself, right? Let us. Let us, እናንተን ወይም ሌላ ሳይሆን second person አካባቢ ያሉትን ከኔ ጭምር ነው, right? እኛ ማለታችን ነው ወይም first person we ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ will we አይደለም የምንለው do we አንልም፣ ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር do የምንጠቀምበት ኮንቴክስት ይሄ አይደለም። shall we ብለን ነው የምንመልሰው። So the answer is shall we. Exactly, please. Shall we? Right? Shall we? ይሄ ኤክሴፕሽናል ነው ብያችኋለሁ። ለታግ ኩዌስችን የምንጠቀምበት ስትራክቸር ወይም ፎርሙ ይሄን ነው የምንጠቀምበት። take care, please. So the answer is here. So I can just block in here. Nice. She doesn't fancy blank out in the evening. She doesn't fancy blank out in the evening. So what is the intent of the question here? Before you are trying to answer the question, you focus and read the question. ምንድነው የሚጠይቃችሁ? ጥያቄውን ከመለሳችን በፊት ጥያቄው ምንድነው ኢንተንቱ ማለት ይዘቱ ምንድነው ነው። to go ይላል፣ going ይላል፣ to going ይላል፣ goes ይላል። that's okay. ምናልባት ጥያቄውን ትሪት ማድረግ የሚያስቸግራችሁ ከሆነ ምርጫዎቹ ላይ መምጣት ነው እናንተ። to go verb pattern ነው፣ going verb pattern ነው። ይሄም verb pattern ናቸው። እኔ verb pattern question ናቸው። ስለዚህ think of the different verb patterns please here. verb plus to, verb plus ing, verb plus to or verb plus object plus to, verb plus to or ing, verb plus something. You have the different verb patterns please here. ስለዚህ ምንድነው እንደዚህ ካሰብኩኝ ፋንሲ የሚለው ነገር ምንድነው? structure verb pattern fancy ምንድነው? implied meaning what's fancy? What is the verb pattern? The structure fancy means it always go with ing. She doesn't fancy going out in the evening. Fancy የሚለው verb plus ing ነው የሚወስደው። fancy has this meaning please. Yeah. She doesn't fancy to go ብንል meaningless ነው። She doesn't fancy to going nonsense ነው። እንደ አይነት verb pattern የለንም። goesም አንጠቀም። simple present verb actually. Question number 3. The students attempted blank English in the classroom. Attempted. What's attempted here? This is another verb pattern question. ሌላው verb pattern ነው። verboችን ትክክለኛ ከሚገልጻቸው ፎርማቸውን ተከትሎ አረፍተ ነገሩን ኮምፕሊት ማድረግ ማለት ነው verb pattern ማለት። So the students attempted blank English in the classroom. Attempted, what attempted means? Is it possible to complete that question with gerund? Attempted means try to achieve ማለት ነው, right? Right? The students attempted speaking. What is attempted means? Attempted የሚለው verb enjoy የሚለውን ሴንስ ሊያመጣልን አይችልም አይደል? Attempted ማለት it's a plan, then you'll achieve next. You have a plan, then you will achieve next, right? ፕላን አለ በፕላን መሰረት አቺቭ ታደርጋለህ የሆነ ነገር ታሳካለህ እዛ ጋር ስለዚህ ምን ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው to speak ብለን ነው የምታስቀምጡት to speak here right the students attempted to speak English in the classroom they have a plan to improve they have a plan to speak English in the classroom exactly that's true please ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ምንድነው to speak የሚለውን verb pass ነው because of this one please ይሄ በፍጹም ing ሊወስድ አይችልም ing የሚወስድ ከሆነ complete sense ሊሰጣችሁ አይችልም ነው yes right he was died blank of infected mosquitoes yeah the question is preposition questions yeah preposition የትኛውን preposition ይወስዳል die actually there are some adjectives which have fixed preposition there are some words participle adjectives which go with fixed preposition ለምሳሌ I'm interested in speaking she's good at drawing congratulations of and also approve of angry with good at fixed preposition እንላቸዋለን እነዚህ ስለዚህ died ስትሉ ማን ነው የሚወስድላችሁ died of ነው የምትሉት okay died of which is called of go with the word die all right thus please he was died in አንልም ነው ሚንጋት or died in infected mosquito ነው የሞተው የሚል ሴንስ ነው የሚሰጣቸው አለ እሱን ለማግኘት ደግሞ ልክ እንዳልኳችሁ often ነው የምትወስደው nice please my master made the compound here all right made clean made actually let me just adjust the question again here nice please I can just remove this word here nice my mother because the questions are already complete by itself ጥያቄው ኮምፕሊት ሆኗል የሚሄደው ከማን ጋር ነው አሁን እየጠየቃቸው my mother made blank the compound made clean the compound made me clean the compound made me to clean the compound made cleaning the compound ፎከሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው made ነው actually these are an exceptional verb passive words ናቸው let and make here let or make plus objects plus look here verb without to please you know the structure is just like this the structure is here ይሄው እንደገና አስቀምጣለሁ let and make I'll take time to explain this one please ሰዓት ይወስዳል ይሄን ለማስረዳት of course ግን nice right ስለዚህ ይኸውላችሁ make and let the structure here make and let ልክ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ verb እንደ verb የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ ምን አይነት structure አለው object ይፈልጋሉ bare infinitive verbs of እንጠቀማለን ወይም an infinitive verb without እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው right ስለዚህ look here my master made me this is called an object clean an infinitive or bare infinitive verb without to bare infinitive ማለት infinitive verb ወይም verb one ማለት ነው ይሄ verb one ምን አስከትሎ አይሄድም to አስከትሎ አይሄድም ስለዚህ መልሳችን ማን ሆነ ማለት ነው ቢ ብላችሁ መልሳላችሁ the explanation that I gave you here is correct structure please this is also another verb pattern question please another verb pattern question number 6 why go did you blank the classroom early that's very common SE question it's bonus question actually did you blank the classroom early did you leave did you leave it because the question word here is simple past all right whatever the question is simple past or simple present the main verb should be an plural form but the meaning is act as a singular verb please here እዚህ ጋር even does ብዬ በተጠቀምም የምንጠቀምበት verb without any suffix ማለት ነው ምን ማለት ነው bare infinitive ሆኖ ምንም አይነት suffix አይጨመርም ማለት ለምሳሌ ምንድነው ይሄ ማለት did you leave ሳልልም ለምሳሌ ይሄን ልቅ ላጥፋውና እንደዚህ does ብዬ ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር ልቀይረው like this look here does he ብዬ ላስቀምጠው ጥያቄውን ልቀይረው does he ብዬ ባስቀምጥ look here ስፒከሩ ማን ሆነ ሲንጉላር ሰብጀክት ነው አለ ይሄ ሲንጉላር ሰብጀክት ቨርቡ እዚህ ጋር ሜን ቨርቡ ዳዝ ነው ሲንጉላር ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ሊቭስ ብለን አንመልስም። ማን ነው የሚሆነው መልሳችሁ? ሊቭ ነው የምትሉት ማለት ነው። ኦኬ because the main question word is singular and there is subject verb agreement but the main verb here is in the form of plural but it doesn't mean that the structure is plural ማለት አለ። this is grammar structure. The question is grammar actually. The question is grammar exactly. so ወደ ቅድሙ ጥያቄ ልመልሰው did you hear? አሁን ጥያቄው ይሄ ነው የቅድሙ ጥያቄ። ስለዚህ ማን ነው የሚሆነው መልሳችሁ? አሁንም did you live? exactly. did you live? nice. question number 7 here. question number 7 blank they will the race. yes, they will win the race. exactly. yeah, they will win the race because they have practiced well. yes, they will. all right, what is here? Hopefully, hopeful, hoping, hopelessly. hopelessly. Hopelessly, which is negative adverb. Hoping, actually it's not a kind of adverb. Hopeful, adjective. Hopefully is an adverb, please. What kind of adverb? Sentence adverb. Sentence adverb is an adverb which modify, which describe the clause normally. all right, sentence adverb ማለት አረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ ላይ ይመጣሉ ግን አረፍተ ነገር ነው ዲስክራይብ የሚያደርጉት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ hopefully, apparently, clearly, certainly, all these are examples of sentence adverbs ነው የምንላቸው። they usually come 75% የሚመጡት በአረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ ላይ ይመጡና አረፍተ ነገሩን ዘሆል ነው። hopefully, look here, they will win the race because they have practiced well. look here, hopefully ቲሙ ነው አይደል? ቲሙ yes ሬሱን ሊያሸንፉ እንደሚችል ተስፋውን ነው እየገለጸ ያለው። the whole clause ገለጸ ማለት ነው። okay, the whole clause ገለጸ ማለት so this is called sentence adverb. so absolutely that is the right answer. please መልሳችሁ ነው የሚሆነው። nice. sentence adverbs ሁልጊዜ በአረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ ላይ ይመጣሉ። nice. blank they will finalize the quarterly meeting by passing some resolutions. yeah, they will finalize the quarterly የሩብ ዓመት ስብሰባውን አንዳንድ ውሳኔዎችን በማሳለፍ ፋይናላይዝ አጠቃለሉ ነው። ኦራይት ያጠቃልላሉ ነው። ኦራይት ያጠቃልላሉ ነው የሚላቸው። ስለዚህ on the end is it on the end, to the end, at the end or in the end? yeah, in the end. which one is true here? የትኛው ነው የሚመስላችሁ? on the end, is it possible to say just on the end? or no, it's not the place to use on the end. place war ለሚ to the end it does. to the end ስንጠቀም ፖዚሽን ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ እሱም አይደለም። at the end, and the end, what does at the end mean? in the end. so the answer is in the end. okay, in the end. እነዚህ ኢንዲኬት የሚያደርጉትን ታይምን ነው የሚገልጹላችሁ። in the end ማለት ስፔሲፊክ ወይም ፓርቲኩላር ታይም ነው ሪፈር የሚያደርገው in the end። in ስንል ታይምን ይገልጻል። in ስትሉ ፕሌስን ይገልጻል። in ስትሉ ፖዚሽንን ይገልጻል። at ስንል ኦኮ ታይምን ይገልጻል ፓርቲኩላር ታይም but different from the preposition in ይለያል ከዚህ አጠቃቀማችን። ስለዚህ ከዚህ አንፃር in the end they will finalize the quarter report by passing some resolutions. Definitely that's the correct answer here, please. nice. question number 9. he is poor but his friend is blank among the friends. yes, he is poor but his friend is blank among his friends. yeah, the poorer and the poorer here, poorest here and the poorest here. this is a question which is basically degrees of comparison. yeah, degrees of comparison. what superlative you know, what superlative you know, what positive, what parallel, what progressive. but what kind of question is this? he is poor but his friend is አሁን እዚህ ጋር የሱ ጓደኛ እንደዚህ አይደለም ማለት ነው። ወይ በጣም ደሃ ነው ማለት ነው ወይ የሆነ አይደለም ወይ እኩል ናቸው ማለት ነው። እኩል አይደለም of course because but የሚለው conjunction እኩል እንዳሆነ ያሳያቸዋል። but he is the poorest here. why the poorest? because there is what? there is among a situation matters to use what the poorest here. what the situation means to compare with a person among the other many numbers or many numbers in a family, many numbers in a group, many numbers in some kind of environment. Alright, እሱን ከጓደኞቹ ጋር ነው ያወዳደርን ያለ ነው። ስለዚህ the poorest ብለን ነው. But his friend is the poorest among his friends. More than 2 friends he have actually. So the poorest, right answer. She's one of the blank students in the campus here. She's one of blank students in the campus. Most top, topmost, more top, and topmost. Right? Degrees of quality, degrees of adjectives or intensifying or extreme adjectives. Yes, extreme adjectives. Yeah. So which one do you come is? Which one do you think is the first here? Which is the first adjective here? Most or top? What is top means? Which one do you think is able to express an intensity, high intensity, right? Intensity on ከፍ ብሎ የሚገልጸው adjective የትኛው ነው? most ብንጀምረው she is the topmost. The topmost means from the very most top student. She is the topmost, not the most top አይደለም የምንገልጸው። ራንኩን የሚገልጽላችሁ የትኛው ነው? ይሄ word ነው topmost. The topmost exactly, but not the most top student. There is fallacy or less sense if you write just the most top ካላችሁ የሷ ኤነርጂ ወይም የሷ ኃይል ይቀንሳል መገለጹ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ the most top ብለን ነው የምንገልጸው። exactly, two are extreme adjectives ናቸው actually, but if you or two extreme adjectives come together in a sentence, the one or the word which express about more intensity that comes first, and second that will be the second one, please. As obviously true for the question, the topmost is right. The explanation, what I'm giving an explanation for the question here. Nice, please. Question number 11. Blank have left the room. He told to the roommates. Yeah, this question is what's called conjunction questions. Yeah, no sooner than, not only but also, both and, either or. What kind of conjunction? Correlative conjunction, because they are found in pairs. Look ጥያቄዎችን በደንብ ያቸው. They are found in pairs ናቸው አንደኛ, and they join two main clauses. Not one is dependent, not one is independent. Correlative አያያዝ ቃል ስትጠቀሙ ሁለቱም ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ መሆናቸው እንዳትረሱ። ሁልጊዜም እንደገና ኮሬሌቲቭ ኮንጀክሽኖች ፔር ናቸው ስትራክቸራቸው። ስለዚህ ማን ነው not only but also ማለት ቦዝ ኤንድ ማለት ነው። ይሄ ከሆነ ቦዝ ኤንድ መሆን ይችላል። ስለዚህ ሆልስ አይሆንም። አይዘር ኦር ማለት ከሁለት አንዱ ነው። ከሁለት አንዱ የሚል ነገር የላቸውም። so here is ምንድናቸው እነዚህ? right, here is called no sooner than means ምን ማለት ነው? no sooner than it is negative adverbs ነው። በአንድ በኩል ኮሬሌቲቭ አድቨርብ ነው ብያቸዋል፣ ወይም ኮሬሌቲቭ ኮንጀክሽን ነው። ኮሬሌቲቭ ኮንጀክሽን ነው አንድ። ሁለተኛ negative adverb ነው። it has the same meaning with hardly, scarcely and hardly, scarcely, rarely, seldom ከሚሉት ጋር ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ያለው adverb ነው please here። ስለዚህ no sooner I have left the room than he told to the roommates. ያ እኔ ከክላሱን ለቅቄ ከመሄዴ ለክላስሜቶቹ ነግሯቸው ነበር ነው። so this is past perfect, no sooner than. Exactly the right answer, please. Question number 12. She has a great intention to study law. She plans to study law in Villa University. Yes, she has a great intention. Here is the central meaning of the question, please. Here, great intention means she inclined to study law, or she has a plan, she has an objective to study, or she has decided to study law in Badilla University. So ነው ጨዋታ ያለ ኢንቴንሽን ማለት የስ ፕላን አይደለም ያላት፣ ግን ጀስት ኢንክላይንድ ታደርጋለች ነው አይደለ? ኢንክላይንድ ያለች ማለት ኢንቴንሽን ፊውቸር ኢንቴንሽን ይገልጽልናል። ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሳችሁ? is going to study, please. is going to study. ኦኬ አንዳንድ ጥያቄ ጠይቁ ትችላላችሁ እነዚህ ሁለቶቹ ላይ exactly. Sometimes they are the same, sometimes they are different. The present continuous for future planned action, the present continuous not future planned action but future intention. You have an objective, you have a plan, you have a purpose, so you can use future intention. Is plus going, or are plus going, am plus going. But is plus ing is wrong, please. ለምሳሌ she's getting married next week. Yeah, she's getting married next week. Okay, future planned action, because I have, or she has already decided to get married the coming week before the time we're speaking. Yes, ካሁን በፊት ወስናለች ኦሬዲ ቅድሚያ ተወስኗል በሚቀጥለው ወር ልታገባ እንደምችል planned action ማለት ይሄ ነው I have decided to leave the country look here I have decided to leave the country I am flying to New York next week ብል ወስኛለሁ ይሄን ሀገር ለመልቀቅ በሚቀጥለው ወር ወይ በሚቀጥለው ሳምንት ኒውዮርክ በረራ አድርጋለሁ ፊውቸር planned action ነው ይሄ አይደል እንዴ ስለዚህ ከፊውቸር ኢንቴንሽን ጋር ይለያያል ኮምፕሊትሊ አንዳንድ ላይ ተመሳሳይነታቸውን የሚገልጽ ሪፈረንስ ታያላችሁ but here is completely different planned action ነው planned action አይደለም intention ነው intention ማለት you incline to do something in the future but no plan ማለት አይደለም of course plan a certain element a certain ዲግሪያቸው ይለያያል እዚህ ጋር ይሄ 75% ነው እዚህ ጋር 85 at least 88-90% የሚሆን ጉዳይ ነው there is a difference here question number 30 ላይ ተመልከቱ remedial exam is good for those blank wants to improve the entrance exam results yeah that is a relative pronoun question relative pronoun question now whom who whose and which እያንዳንዱ whom if the speaker is the subject is person we can just use but object of the verb متقبت if the subject is person but subject of the verb متقبت whose is a possession now is followed by nouns and replaces for possessive adjective now which is the subject is about things animals and events which is different from person ከሆነ which ተጠቅማላችሁ that's the reality behind this relative pronoun reality ነው ያ እዚህ ጋር remedial exam is good for those ነው ያላችሁ good for those what is those means it indicates about person not animals not something which is different person አይደል ከሰው ውጭ ሆነ ጉዳይ አይደለም remedial exam ማን ነው የሚወስደው remedial exam ለማን ነው የሚሰጠው ለአንደኛ ዓመት ወይም ከ12 ክፍል ዩኒቨርሲቲ ላይ ቱቶሪያል ለሚሰጣቸው ተማሪዎች ነው ስለዚህ ማን ነው ተጠቀሙት exactly here is the right answer please ይሄ ማለት remedial exam is good for those they ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት yes they want to improve the entrance exam result so it can be substituted with who ቀደም እንደናልኳችሁ ስፒከሩ subjective case ማለት እንደዚህ አይነት ፕሮናውኖችን ወይም subjective caseዎችን ሪፕሌስ የምናደርግበት relative ፕሮናውናችን ብቸኛው ይሄ ነው who ነው ይሄን ስተካው ደግሞ በማለት ተካዋለሁ በዚህ ተካዋለሁ ያ who want to improve the entrance exam ማለት they want to improve the entrance exam ማለት ነው so the answer is just like ማንም ይላችሁ who ብለን እንመልሳለን nice it is please yeah question number 14 please do it that over there but I can tell you now because I blank very urgent report here a very interesting question please I want to just make specify about the type of tense that you are going to use here unless I make clear context you cannot answer the question because tense questions are somehow difficult because context ካልፈጠርኩ tense ጥያቄዎች መመለስ ነች ያስቸግረናል reality መቀመጥ አለበት please don't just do that over there but I can help you just right yeah ስራው ዛጋ ያለው ስራው አሁን ግን ልረዳህ አልችልም አሁን at the time of speaking because I'm blank ለምንድነው ማረዳ because I'm just here ላችሁ I'm writing yes I'm writing an urgent result urgent report ለምንድነው አሁን ማረዳ እኔ በጣም አስቸኳይ የሆነ ሪፖርት እየጻፍኩ ስለሆነ አሁን ልረዳህ አልችልም አንተ ዛጋ ያለው ስራ አከናውንና ጨርስ this is the context please friends hello ይሄ ነው እዚህ ጋር በደንብ ታዩት please ይሄን context more በደንብ ይዩት please I can help you now ነው ያልኳችሁ I can help you because I'm doing something at time of speaking የሆነ ነገር እየሰራው ነው I may not give my hand to help you right ልረዳህ አልችልም አሁን ማለት ነው nice it is question number 15 that is not the easiest way to get solutions so you should think blank and blank in the end you'll get solutions yes right more and most over and over and very better and better what the kind of the question here do you know the easiest way to get solutions so you should think over and over in the end you'll get solution exactly in the end means finally you'll get solution right over and over think over and over you cannot say actually think more and more the degree is somehow difficult over and over I fail in speaking English in front of my friends I practice over and over and finally I feel confidence I can talk English with my friends because I feel or I develop confidence of course so I can use here over and over please do better and better just that is The reason why I use over and over, please. Yeah. Nice. Next question. Take a taxi over there and ask the driver at the landmark, please. Drop in to drop here. Take a taxi over there and ask the driver blank over just at the landmark or at the junction, the crossroad, the traffic. So to drop here. እንዳወርድ ነው እዛ ጋር እንዳወርድ ሹፌሩን ጠይቀውና ላንድማርኩ አካባቢ እንድትወርድ ጠይቀው ነው so drop ነው to drop ነው because look here because here this is the preposition እቺ preposition purpose አላት ምንድነው የምታሳየው motion ነው የምታሳየው movement ነው የምታሳያችሁ to drop የሚለውን sense ወርደህ እንዲያወርድህ የሚለው እንዲያወርድህ there is movement here ያ movement የሚገለጸው በዚህ preposition to ነው ለዚህ ነው 2 plus verb 1 የምትጠቀሙት interesting question please question number 17 because of the rising of gas and oil in the world because of the rising of gas and oil in the world the unethical merchants blood collecting a lot of money definitely this is the question is based on the current context yeah የነዳጅና ምናምን ከፍተኛ አንኢቲካል ሜርቻንት ማለት እነዚህ ስነ ምግባር የሌላቸው ነጋዴዎች ማለት ናቸው yes right nice please unethical merchants brand collecting a lot of money are rushing on will be rush on are rush on ማለት actual present are rushing on ማለት present continuous which is at the time we're speaking are rushing ማለት it doesn't indicate at the time we're speaking 8 ሰዓት ከሆነ 8 ሰዓት 10 ሰዓት ከሆነ 10 ሰዓት ማለት አይደለም which is around a moment ማለት ነው ኮንቴክስቱ በተፈጠረበት አካባቢ ለማለት ነው yes አሁን ዓለም ባለችበት ሁኔታ ላይ ማለት ነው are rushing on ማለት we rush on ማለት simply we predict that something will happen ማለት ነው will we rush on no that's nonsense መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም so are rushing on በፍጥነት ባስቸኳይ ገንዘብ በመሰብሰብ ላይ ናቸው ገንዘብ እየሰበሰቡ ነው ገንዘብ ይሰበስባሉ rushing on hurry up ማለት ነው rushing on ማለት hurry up ማለት ነው rushing on so the answer is actually B nice question he has got a lot of information about the remedial exam right he has got a lot of information about the I belong to him many times አላት ስለ remedial exam በጣም ብዙ መረጃዎችን አግኝቷል ስለዚህ I belong to him many times ብዙ ጊዜ yes I have told him many times I have shared him many times ማለት እዚህ ጋር look here እዚህ ጋር ይልኝ I have told him many times this is time reference ወይም signal phrase ወይም signal expression ነው የpresent perfect አንዱ አጠቃቀም it answers how many or how much የሚለውን ጥያቄ ይመልስላችኋል how many times have you told him many times yes ለምሳሌ I have read this book 2 times I'm on page 82 ሁለት ጊዜ መጽሐፉን አነበብኩት አሁን ገጽ 82 ላይ እና ያለውት ስለዚህ how many and how much ይሄን ጥያቄ መልስላሉ that's many times የሚለው ነገር ፍንጭ ሰጠኝና and have read ሁለተኛ he has got a lot of information this is called the result of the event please result ነው የማን ሪዘልት ነው የዚህ የፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ሪዘልት ነው which is connected with the time we're speaking አሁን እኔ ስለ ሪሚዲያል ኤግዛም መረጃ አለኝ ካልኩኝ ኢንፎርምድ ነኝ የሆነ ሰው ነግሮኛል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ከዚህ ማግባብ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ልመርጥ እችላለሁ nice please friends question number 19 everyone should think blank about the conflict otherwise things will be more and more yes more and more difficult yes everyone should think what everyone ማለት maybe the country or people in which the conflict is taking place ማለት ነው ጦርነቱ የሚካሄድበትን አካባቢ መግለጽ ነው የተፈለገው ነገር everyone should think everyone maybe the Israel the Iran maybe the American the USA እነዚህ ማለት ነው የተፈለገው yes everyone should think deep or deeper deeply or deepest which one do you think is right everyone should think deeply exactly deeply by itself is in detail when deeply by itself is detailly ማለት ነው or everyone should think critically everyone should think intrinsically thoroughly which is adverbs of not degree or intensifying or extreme adverbs ናቸው because ኮንቴክስቱ ኤክስትሪም ነገር ይፈልጋል ኢንፋይስ መስጠት ይፈልጋል ለዛ ነው deeply የተፈለገው ነገር that's the reason why please yeah question number 20 ላይ እንግባ had I known him very well a blank my best friend please had I known him very well I blank my best friend what kind of question here will have made would have made and will make yeah so how do you answer it there is a clue here በጣም ጥሩ ይሄን ጥያቄ ስትመልሱ ምን አለ የመጀመሪያው ኮምፕሊት ስቴትመንት አላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ይሄ ማን ነው had I known ማለት conditional type 3 ማለት ነው ኢንቨርሽን ትሉታላችሁ ኢንቨርሽን ይባላል ይሄ ማለት እንደዚህ አድርገህ ልጻፈው ይሄን ለምሳሌ if I had known yes if I had known ብላችሁ አስቀምጡት please friends ይሄ ማለት ነው አሎ if I had known please ይሄ ማለት ነው if I had known ማለት had I known conditional 3 ይሄ which is በኤፍ ክሎዝ የተገለጸ ሐሳብ ነው ይሄ ደግሞ በኢንቨርሽን የተገለጸ ሐሳብ ነው whatever ፍንጭ የሰጣችሁ ነገር ማለት ነው አንደኛ past perfect structure አለ ሁለተኛ past participle forms of the word or the verb ነው አለ ስለዚህ conditional 3 መሆኑን እንዳትረሱ ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት conditional type 3 ነው conditional type 3 እንደዚህ ከሆነ ደግሞ main clause በመሆኑ መገለጽ ያለበት would have plus the present perfect should have plus the present perfect could have plus might have plus or have had plus that's right please you know had I known him very well I would have made my best friend እሱን ባውቀው ኖሮ በደንብ ባውቀው ኖሮ yes የጥሩ ጓደኛ አድርጌ ሊይዘው ይችል ነበር ማለት ነው I didn't know him very well so he was not my friend አላውቀውም ነበር ስለዚህ ጓደኛ አይደለም ማለት ነው በሌላ አገላለጽ anyway the question is conditional question especially unfulfilled impossible unreal condition something which is not real unrecoverable ማለት ሊሆን የማይችል conditional ማለት type 3 condition እንለዋለን interesting question number 23 ላይ ሄዱ 21 the clerks usually from 7:30 to 11:30 every day right very common question very clear question because there is an information here an action happens every time which is adverse of frequency how often somebody does there is specific time here so the clerks usually work yes simple present ጥያቄ ነው ጠየቁት እዚህ ጋር simple present ነው ለምን ሆነ አንደኛ indefinite adverse of frequency አለላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ሁለተኛ definite frequency adverbs እዚህ ጋር አሉላችሁ ስለዚህ present simple verb ማለት ነው ስለዚህ work ነው work ስለምን አይሆንም because the clerks ነው የሚላችሁ many clerks means just tailors who work in a bank right tailors who work in a bank they are many in number so that's why work is the right word here question number 22 blank easy to pass the remedial exam because I took 1 year special tutor interesting actually it is from grade 12 lesson በቀጥታ ፒክ የተደረገው actually you learn it somewhere page 20-25 academy yes blank easy to pass the exam I found easy what I found easy ይሄን I found ስትሉ የሚጎል ነገር አለ ምንድነው ያገኘው ነገር ቀላል ሆነ ያገኘው ምንድነው የሚገልጸው ነገር የለም I find it easy no simple present ነው I found it easy yes I found it easy ማለት it የምትገልጽላችሁ ሪፈረንስ ወርድ ነች ማን ነው የምትገልጽላችሁ ሪሚዲያል ኤግዛም ነው የምትገልጽላችሁ እቺን ሪሚዲያል ኤግዛም ነው የምትገልጽ ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት look structure it found plus object plus adjective is true please ለምሳሌ look here nice let me give you another example here I found just hard to pass the road please here to pass the road interesting here I found it hard here to pass the road here what is it ማለት ነው እቺ የምትገልጽላችሁ road የሚለው የምትገልጽላችሁ ኦኬ ስለዚህ found plus object here and there is an adjective here ይሄ found basically grammatical structure ነው I found it difficult I found it easy I found it popular I found it dynamic I found it talent exactly please or I found him talent እሱን መግለጽ ከሆነ goodbye all right question number 23 here 23 goodbye it's time goodbye it's time I'll leave you I'm leaving you I'll leave you so what's the answer here goodbye the question here is it's time please okay it's just it's time right I leave you ማለት it's time I leave you ሰዓት ደረሰ ምን ማለት no meaning at all I leave you ካልክ alright it's time I left you ሰዓት ደረሰ ደህና ሁን ሰዓት ደረሰ ልለይህ ነው ማለት ነው I left you I am leaving you ሰዓት ደረሰ እየተለየሁ ነው I will leave you ስትሉ ሰዓት ደረሰ እየተለየሁ ነው ወይ ልለይህ እችላለሁ no meaning at all it seems meaning in Amharic but it doesn't have a meaning in English actually so it is time it always go with simple past ነው የምንጠቀምበት I left yes simple past but it doesn't mean that the meaning is simple past ማለት አይደለም alright it keep by it's time I left you ቻው ደህና ሁን ሰዓት ደረሰ ልለይህ ነው ማለት ነው so I left you the right structure አሁን ያሳየኋችሁ structure ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው nice here 24 factories or residue make the environment blank here pollutant pollution polluted polluting ይሄ የፓርት ኦፍ ስፒች ኩዌስችን ነው ፓርት ኦፍ ስፒች ማለት either adjective adverb nouns and also verbs የሚሉት ነገሮችን የጠየኳችሁ ግን ትሪት ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ adjective ምንድነው adverb ምንድነው noun ምንድነው and verbs ምንድናቸው የነሱን ዴፊኒሽን ካወቃችሁ ኤግዛክትሊ መመለስ እንችላለን ግን ምንድነው derivation of words ነው derivation of words ማለት አንድን ቃል ከሌላ ቃል ጋር ድራይቭ ማድረግ እንችላለን verb የነበረውን adjective verb የነበረውን noun verb የነበረውን adverb adverb የነበረውን adjective adverb የነበረውን noun ማድረግ እንችላለን ስለዚህ factories reduce make the environment polluted no polluted means make dirty ማለት ነው right make dirty no make pollutant there is something about pollution is a noun no polluted is a verb ማለት ነው okay nice of course I know if you told me yes of course I know if you told me earlier I belong dozen of solutions but I can't now I can do it now yes of course I know just አቃለው ችግሩን ጉዳይ if you told me earlier blank dozen of yeah whatever while whenever any kind of words are added here my intention here is the if clause question is if clause ምንም ይሁን ምን ጨምር ነው ጥያቄውን more confusion ለመፍጠር ነው እናንተ ጋር ስለዚህ if you told me ስል ዲጋ simple past ነው conditional type 2 ወይም improbable condition ነው improbable condition ደግሞ if clause ላይ simple past መጠቀም ከሆነ main clause ላይ ምን እንጠቀማለሁ ለእናንተ ልስጠው ይሄን ስለዚህ simple past with conditional መጠቀም ከሆነ if you are talking about the present እዚህ ጋር መልሱላችኋል ከዩ መልስ but I can't do it now yeah I can't do it now ይሄው አሁን ግን አስራ መስራት አልችልም talking about the present regretting the present definitely ስለዚህ I would plus verb 1 I would think here I would think thousand of solutions here but not here would thought no will think conditional type 1 and this is conditional type 3 but the answer is would think dozen of solutions but I can do it now because you haven't told me earlier አላሰብኩም አልነግርም ቀድመህ አልነገርከኝም ስለነበር ማለት ነው the question is just like this please question number 26 no we can't enter to that room look here no we can't enter that room because blank here still you are talking about the room here as it's cleaning if cleanliness is being cleaned it has cleaned I don't know what the question is can you just say something about the question here all right no we can't enter that room all right because የሆነ ነገር ደብቄ ማውጣት ነው የፈለኩት ነው አይደለ because it is cleaning ስትሉ it is cleaning present continuous active voice ነው ክላሱ በራሱ መጸዳት ይችላል do you think that the class is being taken place by itself impossible it's not the door of the action the classroom is the receiver the agent but not the door the performer አይደለም so ይሄ መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም it's cleaning እንደዛው it's being cleaned all right ተደራጊ ነው ማለት it's being cleaned ማለት receiver of the action ነው agent ነው actually because it begins with that so it's being cleaned ማለት ቢሮ ክላሱ ላይ መግባት አንችልም የተጸዳ ነው ወይ በመጸዳት ላይ ነው somebody is doing something here somebody is cleaning the room and the room is being cleaned ነው የምትለው አይደል የሆነ ሰው ክላሱን እያጸዳ ነው ክላሱ ደግሞ እየጸዳ ነው የምታለው so the answer is present continuous passive voice no because I'm talking about the agent here the agent is that room exactly nice the 26 questions are the first part which is grammar and research I think all the 26 questions are from the different topics grammar topics I hope you read it you watch the video you can just have some key pointers and make ready for taking your remedial examination. Things which are not clear, you can talk to me through my contact us. The second question is about communicative questions. Yeah, right. You are on a bus and an elderly person is standing, you should say, ምንድነው የሚላችሁ መሰላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ኮንቴክስቱ የጥያቄውን አጠያየቅ ኮንቴክስት ኦልሬዲ በዲያሎግ መልክ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ዳይቨርት ቀይሬዋለሁ ያ ምንድነው እያላችሁ ያለው አውቶቡስ ላይ ተቀምጣችሁ ካንተ በዲን የሚበልጥ ሰውዬ መቀመጫ አጥቶ ተቆሟል ነው የሚላችሁ ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምትለው ነው የሚላችሁ ignore them that's you know is our culture ትልቁ ሽማግሌው ሰውዬ ተቀምቆሞ እዛ ጋር ኢግኖር ነው የምታደርገው ቢ offer you seat please take my seat offer አድርገው ነው just hello my friend hello my father my brother just can I invite you a seat here please can I invite you a seat here please or may I help you please do you mind if you sit here please this is a kind of offering someone please yeah move to another seat back ሌላ ቦታ ሄድ ነው የምትለው pretend to exactly that's wrong please ይሄ ነው መልሳችሁ ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው please ያለው expression sorry please can I invite you a seat can you sit here do you mind if you sit here are you alright if you sit here could I exactly these are the possible expression for offering someone for a seat nice right that's right answer here to make a suggestion to a friend you say what ለአንድ ጓደኛ የሆነ problem face ቢያደርገውና እናንተ መጋበዝ አድቫይስ ማስተር ብትፈልጉ የትኛውን ኤክስፕሬሽን ተጠቀማላችሁ ነው የሚላችሁ ፕሊዝ በደንብ ያዙኝ ፕሊዝ ያው you accidentally alright question number 28 to make a suggestion to a friend you say what ለአንድ ጓደኛ ሐሳብ ሰጀስ ማድረግ ስትፈልግ የትኛው ነው possible expression we must go this is called we must go it's not an obligation it's not a suggestion but simply order someone to go with you you must go sometimes it is a kind of obligation yeah how about going to the cinema how about going to we should go to the cinema we ought to go to the cinema we had better go to the cinema of course yes which is actually an indirect statement an indirect question but it's the ways of giving suggestion to someone right go to the cinema which is an aggressive go to the cinema advice አይደለም simply it's not a kind of order command ምንም አይደለም ግን you can say go to the cinema ትላለህ ዝም ብለህ ግን aggressive expression ነው cinema good meaningless expression so the answer is here yes how about going to the cinema because yeah right today we feel dizzy today we feel dizzy or I'm not happy today or I feel distressed today how about going to the cinema of course yeah ዛሬ ደብሮኛል ወይ አልተመቸኝም but how about going to the cinema so we should go to the cinema or why don't we go to the cinema we had better go to the cinema we ought to go to the cinema these are expressed for suggestion natural all right next question number 29 you accidentally call someone by a wrong name you say በድንገት ነው አንድን ሰው ወይም አንድን ጓደኛን በኒክኔው በተቀጽላ በሁለተኛ ስሙ ወይም ባልሆነ ስሙ ስትጠራው እንዴት ብለህ ነው የምትለው ነው you accidentally call someone by the wrong name you say whatever no it's not an expression for calling someone wrongly whatever means whatever any time whatever any place it means right sorry I mean Dibu Dibu oh Solomon yes right sorry just Makona or Tasfa you can say or Solomon no Tasfa ማለት ነው so sorry for calling the wrong name yeah በስተት ስለጠራው ይቅርታ እና nice I don't know go far from this one is the right one በአማርኛም እኮ እንደሰምን ይቅርታ ሳስቸ ነው ሙላት ነው ወይም ተስፋ ያለ ሌላው ይችላል sorry I mean yes right nice you all love the name it doesn't matter no meaning at all actually the last question number 30 please yeah to interrupt politely during a conversation you should say yeah ምን ማለት ነው መሰላችሁኛ ደግሞ when the two friends talking about or discussing on a given agenda and maybe the topic the idea that you are talking is not correct maybe there is something they missed you want to interrupt their speech what expression is important to interrupt someone right or maybe you are intended to add some more information where they are discussing something yeah ምናልባት ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ መስጠት ከፈለክ ሁለት ወሬ ላይ ኢንተረፕሽን ይባላል ወይ ምናልባት ሁለት ሰዎች እያወሩ ያሉ የሚያወሩት ሐሳብ ልክ ሪያሊቲውን ሚስ አድርገው ከሆነ ሐሳቡ ኢንተረፕት ማድረግ ይችላል ግን sorry for the interruption I'm sorry for the interruption let me add some point may I add something or do you mind if I add something or sorry for this please I want to add something please these are the possible expression whenever you are intended to interrupt about someone's conversation exactly so the answer is here አሁን የለፈለፍኳቸው ሁሉ ምንድናቸው? waste of or expression for interruption for someone's speech እንላቸዋለን። nice please. question 31. student, I'm sorry, I'll have to take class please here. student, I'm late. I'm sorry, I'll have to take class ነው የሚላችሁ። ይሄ በተማሪና በመምህር መካከል ያለ conversation ነው። I'm late, I arrived late here. በጣም ዘግቼ ነው የመጣሁት ይቅርታ እያለው ነው። ምንድነው መምህሩ የሚለው? why did you start with me? just why did you start without me? I don't know, አላቅም። መልስ እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል? it may happen sometimes, አንዳንድ ጊዜ ሊከሰት ይችላል። it doesn't matter, I don't care. yeah, it doesn't matter. yes, accepting for the apology ማለት ነው. yes, sorry for missing the appointment, missing for the program. It doesn't matter, take it easy, no problem, think nothing of it, and it's nothing, that's okay. Great. But if the thing is more serious, I told you many times, so don't do it again this ትለዋለህ። ያ በቀላል የሆነ ያልተደጋገመ ነገር ካለ ግን ነገሮችን ፖዚቲቭሊ ቀለል አድርገህ አክሴፕት ታደርጋለህ አፖሎጂውን። ምናልባት አፖሎጂ የሚደረግ ጉዳይ የተደጋገመና ቻሌንጂንግ የሆነና ከሆነ ሪፊውዝ ታደርገዋለህ። ሪፊውዝ ስታደርግ ደግሞ ራሱን የቻለ ኤክስፕሬሽንስ አሉት ነው። ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚያለው? ዘግቼ ስለመጣሁ እጂ ይቅርታ ሲው doesn't matter because it is the first time to come to his class አረ ዘግቼ የመጣሁ መጀመሪያ ጊዜ ነው። so it doesn't matter, take it easy, no problem, think nothing else. oh that's okay, great, that's okay ግባ ሊለው ይችላል። ሌሎች ግን በፍጹም መልስ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም። please. nice. question number 32. Abebe and Sanait. I don't understand what he told to me. Abebe is maybe a student and Sanait is a teacher, right? I don't understand what he told to me. አልገባኝም ያስተማርከኝ ነው እያለ ያለው። right please. Sanait, well let me explain it another way. እሺ በሌላ መንገድ እስኪ ሐሳቡ የጠየቅሽኝን ሐሳብ የጠየቀኝን ሐሳብ ኤክስፕሌን እንዳደርገው ሲል ምን ብሎ መጠየቅ አለበት ነው ጥያቄው። yes, what means simply if I want to confirm, I want to check again. what I can say, what somebody told me something but I haven't lent my ears. what the price is 2000. what? yes, right. she's from Canada. she's from what? I want to confirm. this is the kind of question, but this is not the right word to complete the question. ግን የዚህ መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም። ኮንፊርም አይደለም የፈለኩት። sorry, could you repeat that please? sorry, ልትደግምልኝ ትችላለህ? could you explain it? I didn't get what you meant. can you explain another? could you give some examples? or do you mind if you repeat that again? these are asking for explanation politely. ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሳችሁ? sorry, could you repeat it please? could you repeat it please? yeah, polite expression ናቸው። you are wrong አይደለም፣ say that again አይደለም። ምናልባት መምህር እንደዛ ብዬ ልጠይቅ አይችልም። whatever መምህርም even proximity የሚቀርበው እንኳን ቢሆንም እንደዛ አይነት ጥያቄዎችን ልጠይቅ አልችልም because language by itself is culture ነው። okay, nice. question 32. Saul and Bob. I think this movie is boring. Bob, what's the response? for I think this is opinion, no? yeah, I think here expressing for his opinion about the film that he's watching, the film that he watched. yes, I think this movie is boring. what is Bob's opinion please? Bob, you are stupid. no, ሰደበው ልጁን እኮ እዛ expect response here. the film is boring ብሎ stupid, you are stupid ነው የሚለኝ አይደለም። that's not true. that's not true. I have the right to give to form an opinion. ማንኛውም ሰው የራሱን ኦፒኒየን በተቀመጠው ጉዳይ መግለጽ ይችላል። that's not true ግን ሊል አይችልም ወይም ሊል አይችልም። የሰው ኦፒኒየን እንደዛ አይችልም። I see your point but I find it interesting. absolutely expressing for opinion. ልክ ነው። ሐሳቡን አግኝቼዋለሁ፣ ልክ ነው። ለኔ ግን ኢንትረስቲንግ ነው ፊልሙ ነው ያለው። exactly ልክ ነው። this is expressing for an opinion. shut up አንድ ጥፋተኛ እንኳን ሰውን shut up ተብሎ አይደለም የሚጠየቀው። what do you think about this? guys, ለምሳሌ the director is active, wonderful and dedicated. what do you think about this? as to me he's not attractive ሊለው ይችላል but shut up ብዬ ግን ልመልስ አልችልም. please. all right, nice. because language as I told you is a culture. please. yeah, next question number 33. question number 33 here. question number 33. Frank blank Jack takes roll here and takes the first turning on the left. it is a 5-minute walk from here. yes, here takes roll here. በዚህ ጋር ሂድ takes the first turning on the left. ከሄድክ በኋላ ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ። የመጀመሪያው መታጠፊያ ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ። ከዛ በኋላ የ5 ደቂቃ መንገድ ነው ሲለው asking for direction ነው። yes, so right. could you tell me? yes, right. excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the bank? ይቅርታና ባንኩን እንዴት ላገኘው እንደምችል ልነግረኝ ትችላለህ? Takes your here በዚህ ይለፍ ነው እያልኩ ያለው ከዛ እንደዚህ ይል ከዛ ታጠፍ you'll get the bank over there. Do you know the bank? No, we can say bank where? No meaning at all. You know the bank? No meaning at all. እንደዚህ ብለን አንጠይቅም። ለምሳሌ if you are at this you have a meeting maybe in Sheraton Addis, you don't know where Sheraton is, you meet a police officer somewhere in Piazza. Sorry, good morning, how do you do? Nice to meet you. I'm Mr. John. I'm from this. Could you tell me the way to Sheraton Addis? Yeah, take a taxi over there and ask the driver to do, then, and then you'll drop. It's on your right hand side. You can't miss it in front of you. That is the right direction, which is expected from the police officer, because you know where Sheraton Addis is found. That's the way, the approach of asking direction. Every expression in asking direction is polite. Formal, polite, no? This is the way, please. Another question here, question number 35 here. Jackson blank. And tell me, yes, do it please. Min bulu bitayika no. I'm leaving. Sorry, I have to leave early. Is that okay? Yes. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. This meeting is boring. What? Really? Yes, of course. Ndezi bilang. Really? What? Yes, of course. No, you are wrong. The meeting is interesting. I got something is important. Sorry, I have to leave early, please. Yeah. Sorry, I have to leave early. ይሄን ትርጉም እስኪዩት. Look here. Sorry, I have to leave early. Is that okay? በጊዜ መውጣት አለብኝ። ልክ ነኝ አለው። Yes. Do it please. ልክ ነህ። ያው በቀጥል ሂድ ማለት do it ማለት ቀጥል መሄድ ትችላለህ ማለቱ ነው። Nice. That's true, please. Question number 36. Yeah. 36. Yes. Friend, it is raining heavily. You blank. Take it easy, please. The communicative question, not spoken actually. It's raining heavily. No ማለት ያለበት. Take it easy, please. No. I remember that you have a program outside. All right. Yes, right. You had better wear or you had better use umbrella, okay? You had better use umbrella. Advice ነው የጠየቀው አይደለ? ውጭ በጣም ከባድ ዝናብ እየጣለ ነው ሲል ጃንጥላ ብትይዝ የተሻለ ነው ብለው እንጂ አድቫይስ ነው የምሰጠው ሌሎች ነገሮች ሊለው አልችልም so the answer is C ብላችሁ ነው የምትሄዱት please. Yeah. Next question here. Josie and Sophie. Camping is sometimes called. Yeah, camping ማለት if you want to refresh yourself you camp near the mountains, near the seaside or near somewhere which seem just enjoy yourself in a resort hotels. Yeah. Camping ማለት yes right ነው ራስን ከጓደኛ ጋር ከቤተሰብ ጋር ሆኖ ውጭ ካምፕፋየር ማሳለፍ ነው camping ማለት yes right is undeniably true especially during spring season. Yeah right. It's nonsense. No, I'm not deep pocket. Yeah, ገንዘብ የለኝም ነው. It's not the question is not whether you have a deep pocket or not. ገንዘብ መኖር አለመኖር አለም ጥያቄው. Do you have friend to do this? ጓደኛ ለሄን የሚሰራለም ጥያቄው. Camping important ነው አንዳንድ ጊዜ ራስን ያዝናናል ስለ it's undeniably true. ምንም የማይከድ እውነት ነው. Especially during the spring season. በተለይ የጸደይ ወራቶች because the land is green and there are flowers. Wow. During this season camping is really important as a human being ብለን ነው ማስቀምጠው this true place. Yeah. ሌሎቹ መልስ ሊሆኑ ስለማይችሉ ቴክ እንደዛ ጥያቄዎች ስትሞሉ በደንብ ማንበብ እንደሚጠበቅ ኤክስፔክት ነው please. The next question is reading passage actually. Reading passage question ነው yeah. So whenever you are intended to or we are in the middle of answering reading questions ሁለት መንገድ ነው ማሳያችሁ የመጀመሪያው reading passageን በደንብ አንብባችሁ ከዛ ወደ ጥያቄው መምጣት ሁለተኛው read the question intensively and understand the intent the central point of the question and then you directly come back to the reading passage and search out the answers please for each question. ሁለተኛው መንገድ ጥያቄዎችን እናነባለን ጥያቄዎችን ካነበብን በኋላ ወደ ምንባቡ ተመልሰን ለእያንዳንዱ ጥያቄ ሰርች አውት እያደረግን መልሳችንን እያስቀመጥን መሄድ ነው። ካልሆነ ሌላው መንገዳችን ሪፈረንስ ወርድንና ቮካብላሪ ኩዌስችን መጀመሪያ መስራት መቻል ነው። ካልሆነ እንደገና ደግሞ ሁሉንም ጥያቄ በደንብ አድርገን አንብበን ጥያቄዎችን በአንድ ጊዜ ማንበብ መሄድ ነው። ይሄ ሌላ ስትራቴጂ ነው ፕለስ በተለይ ሪዲንግ ፓሴጅ ሪፈረንስ ወርድ ቮካብላሪ እንዴት መመለስ እንዳለብን ሁለት ቪዲዮዎች ፐብሊሽ አድርጌያለሁኝ answering for reading passage answering or what's called strategies of underlining, strategies of answering reference words from a reading passage. ሌላ ቪዲዮ አለ. Read the watch the video and try to get some information over there, please. Yeah, interesting, please. Yeah. What is the main idea of the passage ነው የሚላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ምንባባች by the way የሚያወራው ስለ artificial intelligence ነው የሚያወራው. ያ and the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the way nation we programmed holds immense importance. ነው programming is not mainly about inserting commands into a machine. ልክ ነው አይደለም ፕሮግራሙ artificial intelligence በፕሮግራም ነው የሚሰራው። ስለዚህ ምንድነው እዛ ጋር ኮማንድ አለ ኢንሰርት የምታደርግለት is about instilling logicን ኤቲክስን አዳፕታቢሊቲ ነው ለአርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንሱ ፊድ የምታደርገው። just as humans are shaped by education, ልክ ሰዎች ከራሳቸው ኤክስፒሪየንስ ከሌላ ሰው ከምሁራን ኤክስፒሪየንስ ይማራሉ፣ በትምህርት ራሳቸውን አፕዴት ያደርጋሉ። artificial intelligence ግን እንደዛ ማለት አይደለም። but artificial intelligence systems are shaped by ምንድነው የሚላቸው the quality and intent of their programming. ያ ፕሮግራሙ የሚጫንላቸው ፕሮግራም የሱ ኳሊቲ እና ፕሮግራሚንግ ነው። እዛ ጋር የሚጫንላቸው ኳሊቲ ፕሮግራሚንግ ነው። more artificial intelligence just it thinks that just as a human thinks mind, ልክ እንደ ሰው አእምሮ ሊያክል ያስብ የሚችል የሚሰሩት ወይም የሆነ ነገር የሚያስቡት ኳሊቲ የሆነ ነገር ፕሮግራም ሲስተካከል፣ ያ ማለት ደግሞ ሎጂክ የሆነ ኤቲክስ የሆነ ሊያሳምን የሚችል ነገር ፊድ ሲደረጉ ብቻ ነው artificial intelligence ሊሰሩ የሚችለው። an AI's usefulness depends heavily on how well it understands context. exactly artificial intelligence ትልቁ ነገር ምንድነው ለምንጠይቀው ነገር ለምንሰጠው ነገር ኮንቴክስቱን ተረድቶ ነው ፊድ የሚመልስልህ። ለምሳሌ እኔ የፈለኩት ስለ agriculture system ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም improvement of spoken ሊሆን ይችላል። so first the artificial intelligence understand the context and he will just give about what you want to know about. ያ ማወቅ የምትፈልገውን ነገር ይሰጣል ማለት ነው። adapts to change ይችላል right and aligns with what the needs of the people and services. ልክ ነው ሰውየው የሚፈልገውን ነገር አዳፕት ያደርጋል። ሰውየውን የሚፈልገውን ነገር ኮንቴክስት ይረዳል። ሰውየው በሚፈልገው መሰረት artificial intelligence የምንፈልገውን ነገር ይሰጠናል ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር የሚያሰው analyze that its programming will narrow logic or biased data. አንዳንድ ጊዜ ፕሮግራሙ ቢያዚቲ ካለውና የሆነ ነገር ካለው የተዛባ መረጃ ሊሰጠን ይችላል። እኛ ከምንሰጠው የተለየ መልስ ሊሰጠን ይችላል because there is a problem on artificial intelligence programming right. its decisions may just reinforce the stereotypes or misinterpret information. ልክ ነው ምክንያቱም ኮንቴክስቱን አልተረዳውም የምንሰጠው ሐሳብ በትክክል ኢንተርፕሬት አድርጎ አይሰጠንም። ሚስ ኢንተርፕሪቴሽን ገልብጦ ወይም አጣሞ ሊሰጠን ይችላል ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ፕሮግራሚንጉ ልክ አይደለም፣ ሎጂክ አይደለም፣ ኤቲክሱን የተጠበቀው አዳፕታቢሊቲው ሚስ ተደርጓል ነው። on the other hand well programmed systems can enhance learning, provide personalized support ያስፈልገዋል የምንላቸው and operate safely in complex environments. actually በደንብ እነዚህ ፕሮግራሚንጉ ሴፍ የሆነ ነገር ሎጂክ የሆነ ነገር በትክክል ፊድ ካደረግነው ማንኛውም ሰው የሚጠይቀውን ነገር appropriately ይሰጣል ማለት ነው። that's called artificial intelligence ነው። more programming is an ongoing process. programming ongoing process ነው። ongoing ማለት በየቀኑ አፕዴት እያደረከው ነው የምትሄደው እንጂ አንድ ጊዜ ፊድ አድርገው የሚያቆም ነገር አይደለም። as technologies develop and societies evolve systems must be updated and retained. of course ቅድም ብያቸዋል this continuous refinement helps ensure that machines remain relevant, responsible and responsive to human values. exactly update የሆነ ነገር ሲደረግ ሰው የሚፈልገውን ማንኛውም ነገር በቀጥታ መስጠት ይችላል ነው የሚላቸው። if no updated or maybe the artificial intelligence remain the same, it's just like ምንም የምንፈልገውን ነገር ሊሰጠናችን ቢያዚቲ የተሞላበት ነገር መልስ ሊሰጥልን ልናገኝ እንችላለን። this true for artificial intelligence just lies not just in the processing speed or data capacity but in the thoughtful design. አሁን ምንድነው not just processing speed ማለት ያ የምንሰጠውን ነገር በሰከንድ ወይም በደቂቃ የመስጠት ጉዳይ አይደለም። thoughtful design ነው። thoughtful ምንድነው? thoughtful ማለት how much the artificial intelligence thinks about the topic, the context that people ask. ያ እሱ ነው የሚያስበው አይደለ? ሰው ማወቅ የሚፈልገውን ነገር ይጠይቀዋል። ከዛ በኋላ እዛ ጋር የሆነ ነገር ሲጻፍ ታያለህ አይደል? እዛ እሱ ላይ ነው የሚያጠነጥነው። ፕሮሰሲንጉ ላይ አይደለም፣ ስፒዱ ላይ አይደለም፣ ፍጥነቱ ላይ አይደለም። በፍጥነት የተሰጠውን ነገር ፊድ ማድረጉ አይደለም። ሶ that explains here. Programming in this sense becomes what? Mirror no milacho. It's a mirror for the artificial intelligence. Programming with artificial intelligence, mirror one. I don't know mirror from context because it's a question now, yes? Human intention are one that must be carefully polished to reflect fairness, intelligence, and progress. This is what about the artificial intelligence. So I have got some information, I have got some idea about what artificial intelligence is. And here, 3 paragraph አንብቤው ጻፍ ብባል በራሴ ቋንቋ በአንድ ፓራግራፍ ጽፈው ይችላል። ፓራግራፉ ወይም ፓሴጁ ስለምን እንደሆነ የሚያወራው ተረድቼዋለሁ። አሁን ጥያቄዎችን መመለስ ይችላልው ማለት ነው። So look here, what is the main idea of the passage? ነው ጥቅል main idea ነው የሚጠይቃቸው። Yes, as I can express human labor entirely, no. Programming is a one-time process. Programming አንድ ጊዜ ብቻ ነው የሚደረገው። No አላለም እንደዛ። Programming update ይሆናል ነው ያሏቸው። Technology evolves faster than human no. ቴክኖሎጂን የሚፈጥረው እኮ human mind ነው አይደል እንዴ? ቴክኖሎጂ human mindን አይበልጥም። Right? Even though computers are complex, human mind is more complex የሚለው ምንም እንኳን ኮምፒውተር ኮምፕሌክስ ቢሆንም የሰው አእምሮ በጣም more complex ነው። ስለዚህ human mind creates technologies such as artificial intelligence. Yes. Thoughtful programming determines the quality of artificial intelligence. Exactly. So the answer is here. መጨረሻው ፓራግራፍ አካባቢ ያነበብኩት መልስ ነው ይሄ ነው። Thoughtful programming determines thoughtful እሱ ነው artificial intelligence ኳሊቲውን ሊገልጸው የሚችለው ነው የሚላቸው። Yes, right. Question number 38. According to the passage, what risk is associated with poor programming? And passage ነው የሚላቸው poor programming የሚያሰኘው artificial intelligenceን የትኛው? Artificial intelligence may become self-aware. No. Machines may stop functioning. No. Just decisions may reflect bias. Exactly. Yes. And misunderstanding. Exactly. ቅድም ብለን የሄደው ጉዳዮች ናቸው እነዚህ። Question number 39. Why is ongoing programming important for AI? Ongoing ማለት የሚቀጥል አንድ ጊዜ የሆነ ነገር ተፈጥሮ ፊድ አድርገው የሚያቆም ሳይሆን ልክ አፕዴቲንግ እያደረግነው የሚሄደው ነው artificial intelligence። እሱ ደግሞ ምንድነው ongoing ፕሮግራሙ ለartificial intelligence ምንድነው ጥቅሙ ነው የሚላችሁ? It allows machines to become independent. No, machines independent እንዲሆን ነው የሚያደርገው አይደለም። It ensures machines do not learn on their own. በራሱ እንዳያገናዝ በራሱ የሆነ ነገር እንዳያስብ ማድረገው it helps artificial intelligence stay aligned with changing technology. Exactly. This is the right answer, please. This is the right answer from the reading passage. Nice. Question 40. Nice. 40. What comparison does the author make between human and artificial intelligence? አውተሩ የሁማን ማይንድ እና አርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስን ሲያወዳድር እንዴት ብሎ ገለጸው ነው የሚላቸው። both are capable of emotions. ሁለቱም ኢሞሽን ናቸው፣ ስሜት ናቸው። I don't think artificial intelligence is not a kind of emotion. ልክ አይደለም። both are a resistance to change. No, artificial intelligence changeን resist አያደርግም። ምናልባት ሰው resist human mind resist ሊያደርግ ይችላል። both benefits from structured learning. Exactly. Structured, we can learn from our experience, structured ነው. We can learn from education, structured ነው. Artificial intelligence ከፕሮግራሚንግ ነው ሶፍትዌሩ ፊድ ነው የሚደረገው። structured learning ነው። alright, ፕሮግራሚንጉ structured learning ነው። ፕሮግራሚንጉ ለአርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስ structured learning ነው። እሱ ፊድ ካልተደረገ artificial intelligence የምንፈልገውን ነገር ሊያወጣልን አይችልም። So the answer is C ብለን ነው የምንመልሰው. Please. What does the word instilling most mainly mean as used in paragraph 1? Instilling ምንድነው ነው የሚላችሁ እዚህ ጋር paragraph 1 ላይ ልመለስና እስኪ እንየው please. Yes, here is programming is not merely about inserting commands into information. ትእዛዝ programming ማለት ለartificial intelligence ወይም ለሜሽኑ ፕሮግራም ትእዛዝ ማስተላለፍ አለም። It is about instilling logic ነው። instilling logic, ethics and adaptability. instilling logic በቃ አሁን መመለስ ይችላል please. አሁን መመለስ ይችላል please. Question number 3. Question number 40 I think. Yeah, 41. What instilling means? Yes, right. Removing ማለት ነው just teaching gradually. Exactly. No, feed ማድረግ ማለት ነው። teaching gradually, hiding መደበቅ ነው repeating መድገም ነው ማስወገድ ነው teaching gradually, instilling teaching gradually. Absolutely the same meaning with this question number 42. What is the meaning of refinement in paragraph 3? refinement 42 refinement እዚህ ጋር ልመለስ እንደገና ፓሴጁ ላይ ልምጣ instilling here and what is here instilling here and what's refining እዚህ ጋር ልላችሁ yes this continuous refinement helps us ensure that machines retain relevant, responsible and responsive to human values. Refinement, what's refinement here? What is refinement? አሁን የሆነ ፍንጭ አገኘን ይመስለኛል refinement ስንል ምን ማለታችን ነው here? Yes, elimination of AI እሱም ማጥፋት ነው upgrading hardware upgrade ማድረግ ነው improvement through gradual change or total reconstruction. Yeah, yes, improvement ማለት refinement ማለት refine ማለት ነው refine ማለት improvement ማለት ነው yes what's mirror ቅድም አንበሏል mirror ስንል ማለታችን ነው yes mirror means right tool for reflection, symbol of confusion, just copy it behavior, just representation or reflection. Mirror reflection normally actual እንትኑ ጋር አገናኙትና it's reflection ማለት ነው yes it's reflection ማለት ነው mirror for artificial intelligence. Yes, artificial intelligence. Question number 44 ላይ ልምጣላችሁ please. In the sentence, if it is programmed with narrow logic, what does it refers to? Yes, እዚህ ጋር ልምጣና it refers to ይላችኋል narrow logic. Yes, right. If it is programmed with narrow logic, yeah, ለምሳሌ AI is fullness depends on hardware or no. Yes, right. በነገራችን ላይ እነዚህ ሪፈረንስ ወርድ ስትመልሱ ሪፈረንስ ወርዱ ካለበት ወደ ኋላ ተመልሳችሁ መመለስ ምን ማለት ነው? ሪፈረንስ ወርድ ማለት pronoun referent ማለት ይሄ ሪፈረንስ ወርድ ሪፈር የሚያደርገው አንቲሲደንት አለ ወደ ኋላ የሚወክለው ስም አለ ያን ስም ነው ወደ ኋላ መታችሁ የምትፈልጉት እሱም ስም መተ ነው የምትፈልገው ኦኬ ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ስመጣላችሁ ማን ነው የምንፈልገው ማለት ነው ማን ነው የምትፈልጉት yes if in the sentence if it is programmed with narrow logic what does it refers to ነው የሚላችሁ ያ human experience, context, artificial intelligence, logic. So the answer is what? Human experience. Okay, ላሳያችሁ ተመልሼ ይሄን ሪፈረንስ ለምን እዚህን ሪፈር እንደሚያደርግ እንዴት ሪፈር እንደሚያደርግ let me just yes right here እዚህ ጋር ተመልከቱኝ on artificial intelligence usefulness depends heavily on how well it understands the context, adapts to changes, aligns with the need of the need of what? Its service. Yes, is programmed just narrow decision and just right here. So the right it's the need of the people, please. Yes, right. So human experience is the right answer here. Question number 45, Lahidu. What does this refers to? This continuous refinement helps no milage 45 fly. Yes, ongoing updating and retaining of systems, system failures, programming challenges, biased data. ልመለስና this የሚወክለው ምንድን ነው this the word this yeah sorry for coming yeah ይኸውላችሁ እዚህ ጋር moreover programming is an ongoing process as technology develops and societies evolve systems must be updated and retained. Yes, these constraints help us ensure that machines remain relevant, responsible and what responsive to human values. So what does this refers here? ማንን ነው የምናወራው እዚህ ጋር ኦኬ ወደ ጥያቄው እንምጣ so ማን ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ 44 yes ongoing updating retaining of systems አሁን አንብበነው መተናል please ongoing and updating and retaining of systems is this refer ያደርግላችኋል in the sentence one that must be carefully polished to reflect fairness. What does one here? One የሚገልጽላችሁ የትኛውን ነው? Machine, mirror of human. Okay, እዚህ ጋር ልምጣና ላሳያችሁ አንድ ጊዜ mirror የሚለው ላይ ውሰዱት እስኪ where is mirror here? Yes, right. ይኸውላችሁ mirror የሚል አለ Yes. Look here. Programming in this sense becomes a mirror of human intention, one that must be carefully polished. Yes, that must be polished to reflect fairness, intelligence and progress ይላቸዋል። ስለዚህ yes, mirror of human intention, one that ማን ነው እየገለጸ ያለው ወደ ኋላ ስትመልሱ እሱን ይሉኝና ወደ ጥያቄው በቀጥታ ልምጣ። here the last question here. Nice. What's the answer here? Yes, mirror of human intention. አላገኘነውም ቅድም እዛ ጋር mirror of human intention. This is the right answer. በነገራችን ላይ እነዚህ ሪፈረንስ ወርድ ስትመልሱ አንቲሲደንቱን ወደ ኋላ ልክ አሁን እንዳሳየዋችሁ ወደ ኋላ ተመልሳችሁ ሪፈር የሚያደርጉትን ነገር ስትፈልጉ ሪፈረንስ ወርዱን ትርጉም ማግኘት ይችላልላችሁ። ከዛ ውጭ ግን ማግኘት ማንችልም። actually the fourth part is writing skill, but the time is not enough to prepare writing questions. I think I'm going to publish for the second remedial exam focusing on writing skill, context, vocabulary and pronunciation. I hope you will stay, you will watch the video again. For the time being, 46 questions are presented at the time being. I hope you will watch the video and subscribe, like and rate my channel. I think you'll like it. The question is please, yeah. Maybe በጣም ፈጥኜ ሊሆን ይችላል ያወራሁት። ምናልባት ያልተረዳችሁት ነገር ካለ ኮሜንት ማድረግ ይችላልላችሁ። ምናልባት ጥያቄውን የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ ሃርድ ኮፒውን በቴሌግራማችሁ መላክ ይችላልላችሁ። That's enough for today, please. Thank you very much. Bye. Mr. Kabaro from Family English Language. Nice, please.